Okay, I'm back again and we're going to do another recipe with this great 4-in-1. I hope you still have like over half of the month left, so we really need to sell these. Like I said, you need at least 2 of them. One of them's not going to do you. This time we're going to make a real quick meal for you or you and your significant other when you come home. It's a 1-dish winner. We're going to use the south of the border mix and some chicken tenders, a little chicken broth, some rice, a little salt and pepper. It's all going to be made in our great 4-in-1. First thing you're going to do is pour your cup of chicken broth in here. And don't worry about writing these down or anything. They're going to have all these recipes for you. You know, these people are just with it. So, and then we're going to put a teaspoon. If you like it a little bit more spicy, which I'll make it a little spicy, you can put 2 teaspoons. Yeah. Of the south of the border dip mix. You know, you don't have to use this whole package, so you know you can fold it up and use it for I use it for a lot of different seasonings. And we're going to stir this up. It's going to be a little powdery, and that's okay. It'll sort of dissolve. Okay. And then you want just a pinch of salt in there and a pinch of pepper to taste. If you like it a little more peppery, a little more salty, go for it. Always remember when you're cooking these recipes, this is based on my microwave. Some microwaves take a little longer, some take a little less time, so just sort of judge it and check. Always check your temperature of your chicken for 165. Any of your meats, your beef or your chicken. Okay, we're going to add a cup of rice. And we'll get this all stirred up. So you got your chicken broth and your minute rice. Okay. And then we're going to take these nice chicken tenders, and I think I have 4 of them in here. We're just going to sort of lay them down in the rice. I'm going to show you here, and just sort of cover them and push them down toward the bottom. We're going to do that with each of them. Just so they're down in that broth and that rice. We're going to cover them up so they stay nice and juicy and tender. Okay. Get your rice down in your broth. And that is it. We're going to cover this and we're going to put it in the microwave for 6 minutes. I'll see you in a few. And we'll check it and see if it's done. Aren't these pretty? They gave me these. Not gave them to me, but let me use them. Nice and hot. Love this 4-in-1. You need to start using it. This is awesome. Okay, now I'm going to show you what we got here. Woo! We've got chicken with seasoned rice. You can see here. I'll get the spoon. You've got your chicken in here, and look, your chicken's just going to cut apart. Look how juicy and tender that chicken is, and your rice is all seasoned, and you're ready to serve. So we'll just pour it out in a bowl. There's enough, like I said, for 2 people, or if you're really hungry, 1 person. And how healthy is this? This is not fast food. You are fixing this in your own kitchen. You've got a home-cooked meal in 6 minutes. Doesn't get any better than this, ladies. You got to try it.